Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a real powerhouse in the world of table saws, the DeWalt DWE7485. Stick around as we explore why this might just be the best table saw available in the market. Let's start with an overview of the DeWalt DWE7485. This compact yet mighty table saw is a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a 15-amp motor and an 8-1/4 inch blade, it offers the perfect blend of power and precision. Now, let's dive into some of its key features that set it apart from the competition. Compact design. First up, its compact build. The DeWalt DWE7485 is designed to conserve storage space and simplify transportation. It's perfect for job sites where mobility matters. Rack and pinion telescoping rails. Making precise fence adjustments has never been easier. Thanks to the rack and pinion telescoping rails, you can achieve fast and smooth adjustments for accurate cuts. Professional rip capacity. Need to tackle large projects? No problem. This table saw offers a whopping 24.5 inches of rip capacity, allowing you to effortlessly rip 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets. Site Pro Modular Guarding System. Safety is a top priority, and the Site Pro Modular Guarding System ensures tool-free adjustments of the guarding, giving you peace of mind while you work. Ever experienced a power disruption while your tool was in the on position? Some text goes here. The power loss reset feature prevents accidental restarts, enhancing safety on the job. Onboard storage. No more hunting for your accessories. The DeWalt DWE7485 offers convenient onboard storage for the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge. Metal roll cage base. Durability matters, especially on a job site. The metal roll cage base ensures that this saw can withstand the rigors of demanding work environments. But wait, there's more. DeWalt also offers compatible products that complement the DWE7485, such as featherboards, circular saw blades, and more. Now, let's talk performance. The 15-amp, 5,800 RPM motor delivers impressive cutting power. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this saw can handle a wide range of applications with ease. Portability is where the DeWalt DWE7485 truly shines. It's lightweight, has a convenient side handle, and the heavy-duty rubber feet keep it stable during use. The adjustable bevel and depth settings offer versatility in cutting angles and depths, making it suitable for various projects. In conclusion, the DeWalt DWE7485 is a top-notch table saw that excels in power, precision, and portability. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate DIYer, this saw is a worthy investment that will help you tackle your projects efficiently and accurately. That wraps up our review of the DeWalt DWE7485 table saw, the best table saw on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more expert product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.